Hi, I'm Heather McDonald. Welcome to our new listing at 5 Wanita Road in Port Credit. Come by and fall in love with this home. Our neighborhood choices for a home reflect our lifestyle, so too does the home itself. At 5 Wanita Road, we can be inspired by the love of water, horizon, and a home with places and spaces for everyone. We are in Port Credit, a place with many lifestyle choices. This well-thought-out two-story home was originally a triplex, now considered a legal duplex. So again, you have choices. The main floor hosts an open-concept living, dining, and kitchen for comfortable ease of entertaining and a relaxed style. Travel to the back of the house to enter the large family room and walk out to the back balcony. A master suite, 2 guest bedrooms, 2 balconies, and a fantastic laundry room are located on this second floor. Now we're in the basement, which can be a totally separate living space. There is a laundry and storage room, open concept living, dining, and kitchen, and tucked around the corner a master bedroom, den, and full bathroom. Looking out back, we can see this owner has planted many perennial bushes and plants that are just starting to come alive for spring. And then you notice, wow, there are 3 garage spaces, 1 double detached back here and a single attached at the front of the home, plus lots of parking for guests. Inside and out, this home was renovated to optimize space. You are going to be amazed at the amount of storage and the flow in this home. Come, take a look for yourself, and make it your own.